x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to a t raised to 4. If x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to a t raised to 4, we have to find dy by dx. X is a function of t, so we can find dx by dt. Derivative of x with respect to t is 2a into t square derivative is 2t, that is 4at. Now y is a function of t, dy by dt is equal to a into 4t cube, which is equal to 4at cube. Now dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is equal to 4at cube divided by 4at, which is equal to 4 again cancel, t cube by t is t square. Okay. If x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. If x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. Okay. dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So which is equal to minus a sin theta. Now y is a function of theta, dy by d theta is equal to b into minus sin theta, which is minus b sin theta. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is equal to dy by d theta is minus b sin theta divided by minus a sin theta, which is equal to b by a. Okay. X is equal to sin t. Next is x is equal to sin t. X equal to sin t. Y is equal to cos 2t. Y is equal to cos 2t. X is a function of t, dx by dt is equal to cos t. dy by dt equal to cos derivative is minus sin 2t into 2. That is minus 2 sin 2t. Okay. Now dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, which is equal to dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Okay. Which is equal to minus 2 into sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t by cos t. So cos t get cancelled, which is equal to minus 4 sin t. Minus 4 sin t. Next, x is equal to 4t. X is equal to 4t. Y is equal to 4 by t. We have to find dy by dx. So dx by dt is equal to 4 into 1, that is 4. Dy by dt is equal to 4 into 1 by t derivative is minus 1 by t square, that is minus 4 by t square. Now dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt minus 4 by t square divided by 4. Okay. Is equal to minus 4 by t square into 1 by 4. Multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. So 4 get cancelled, is equal to minus 1 by t square. Okay. Next, x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y is equal to sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Okay, we have to find dy by dx. Now x is a function of theta, dx by d theta is equal to cos theta derivative is minus sine theta minus cos 2 theta derivative is minus sine 2 theta into 2. So which is, this will become positive 2 sine 2 theta minus sine theta. Now here dy by d theta is equal to sin theta derivative is cos theta minus sin 2 theta derivative is cos 2 theta into 2, which is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So these are dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Okay, now dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So that is the derivative. X is equal to, next x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Dx by d theta equal to a into theta derivative is 1, sin theta derivative is cos theta. Okay, that is dx by d theta. Now dy by d theta is equal to a into 1 derivative is 0 minus sin theta, that is minus a sin theta, minus a sin theta. So these are dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Now dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is equal to minus a sin theta by a into 1 minus cos theta, which is equal to a cancel minus sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin angle get cancel, cos theta by sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 is cot theta by 2. Okay. Next x is equal to sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Okay, x is equal to sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Y is equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Okay. Okay. Now dx by dt is equal to, by quotient rule, denominator into root of cos 2t, denominator into derivative of the numerator, cube function 3 into sin square t into cos t, denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into, numerator is sin cube t, derivative of the denominator is a root function 1 by 2 root cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t minus sin 2t into 2 derivative of 2t, the whole divided by denominator square, that is cos 2t. Okay. Now these 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. If we multiply this root 2 cos 2t into this term, it will become 3 sin square t into cos t cos 2t plus sin cube t into sin 2t, the whole divided by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is dx by dt. Now dy by dt. Okay, what is dy by dt? See, we can take the common factor. Okay, common factor, that is equal to 3 into sin square t into cos t cos 2t plus sin cube t into sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay. Now numerator, from this numerator there is a sin t is common, cos t is common. Okay, we can take sin t cos t into here 3 sin t cos 2t plus 2 sin cube t by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is dx by dt. Now y is cos cube t by root of cos 2t. So you can find dy by dt. Dy by dt is equal to denominator root of cos 2t into derivative of the numerator cos cube t, derivative is 3 cos square t into minus sin t. Okay, minus numerator, that is cos cube t, into derivative of the denominator 1 by 2 root cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2 divided by denominator square cos 2t, root of cos 2t the whole square. Okay, so these two get cancelled. So simplifying, it is equal to root 2 cos 2t is multiplied with this term, so it will send, there is negative sign, minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t into sin t. Okay, plus cos cube t into sin 2t divided by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Now dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. It is equal to, so when we divide these two terms, this one is dy by dx by dt, it is dy by dt. So when we divide these two terms, the denominator get cancelled. The denominator cancel out. അപ്പോൾ dy by dx ഇതാണ്. ഇതിനെ ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. അപ്പോൾ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ മാത്രം ഫോം ചെയ്യും, ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ. So that is cos cube t sin 2t minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t sin t by here sin t cos t into 3 sin t cos 2t plus 2 sin cube t Okay. So the numerator, here the numerator is equal to cos cube t into sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t sin t by sin t cos t into 3 sin t into cos 2t plus 2 sin cube t. Okay. So from this numerator we can take sin t cos t as common factor. Okay. Which is equal to sin t cos t into 2 cos cube t, 2 cos cube t minus 3 cos 2t into cos t by here sin t cos t into 3 sin t cos 2t plus 2 sin cube t. So sin t cos t get cancelled. Now 2 cos cube t minus 3 cos t into this cos 2t is 2 cos square t minus 1. 2 cos square t minus 1. Okay. Divided by 3 sin t into cos 2t is 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square t cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin cube t. Okay. That is equal to 2 cos cube t minus 3 cos t into 2 minus 6 cos cube t plus 3 cos t. Okay. Divided by 3 sin t minus 6 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Okay. Which is equal to 3 cos t. 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t by denominator 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Okay. So a negative sign is taken from the numerator. 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Okay. That is minus 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is cos 3t by sin 3t. Sin 3t is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So sin 3t minus cot 3t. X is equal to a into cos t plus log tan t by 2. X is equal to a into cos t plus log tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. Y equal to a sin t. Okay. Now dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative is minus sin t plus log function, log of a function 1 by that function tan t by 2 into tan derivative is sec square t by 2. Now t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. Okay. Log function derivative minus sin cos t function derivative minus sin t, log function 1 by that function. Now function derivatives, tan of function means sec square of that function, again t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2, which is equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan is cot t by 2, cot t by 2 into sec square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, that is a into minus sin t plus cot function is cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 into c square is 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to a into minus sin t plus a cos function get cancelled, 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Okay, that is equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 by which is also sin t. Okay, that is equal to a into minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. Minus sin square t plus 1 is 1 minus sin square t. 1 minus sin square t is cos square t by sin t. So that is dx by dt. Now y is equal to a sin t, dy by dt equal to a cos t. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is dy by dt is a cos t divided by dx by dt is a cos square t by sin t, which is equal to a get cancelled, which is cos t into reciprocal of the denominator, multiply with this reciprocal of the denominator, sin t by cos square t, say cos t get cancelled, sin t by cos t is tan t. So tan t is dy by dx is tan t. Okay, x is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta, dx by d theta equal to a into sec theta derivative is sec theta into tan theta. Now dy by d theta is equal to b into tan theta derivative is c square theta. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is b sec square theta by a into sec theta tan theta. Okay, which is equal to b by a into c square theta. A sec theta get cancelled. Sec theta is sec theta into 1 by tan theta. With denominator, tan theta is in denominator, 1 by tan theta is cot theta. That is b by a into 1 by cos theta into cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta get cancelled. So which is equal to b by a into 1 by sin theta. B by a into 1 by sin theta. B by a cosec theta. X is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Now dx by d theta equal to a into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta plus here it is product rule, theta into sin theta. Theta into sin theta derivative is cos theta plus sin theta into theta derivative is 1. So equal to, here sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled. So a into theta cos theta. A into theta cos theta. A into theta cos theta. Okay. Now here dy by d theta equal to a into sin theta derivative is cos theta minus theta into cos theta by product rule, theta into cos theta. So theta into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta plus cos theta into 1. Okay, which is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta minus cos theta. So cos theta cancel, that is a theta sin theta, that is dy by d theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, dy by a theta sin theta by a theta cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. X is equal to a root of a raised to sin inverse t, y is equal to root of a raised to cos inverse t. We have to prove dy by dx is minus y by x. So we can use another method. See, x square equal to a raised to sin inverse t and y square equal to a raised to cos inverse t. Okay. Now if we multiply these two equations, x square into y square is equal to a raised to sin inverse t into a raised to cos inverse t, which is equal to a raised to sin inverse t plus cos inverse t, that is equal to a raised to pi by 2. Okay, a raised to pi by 2. Now differentiate, that is x square into y square is equal to a constant. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x by product rule. X square into y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx plus y square into x square derivative is 2x. Right side is a constant, its derivative is 0. Or 2x square y dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy square. Or dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy square divided by 2x square y. Okay, 2 get cancelled, x cancel and y cancel, which is equal to minus y by x. Okay.